from Frisco's Finest here with Lala My Love. We're out here at Luxurious in Pittsburgh, putting together a little toy drive, supporting our fellow club members, Luxurious. This is what we do, man. It's all about the kids. Christmas time, we come out and support a good cause. All the toys go to a good cause. Needy kids. This is what we're about. Frisco's Finest in the house. This is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Come out and check it out if you're not here.
Lux. We're representing the show up here at Lux Series, supporting the kids. So we just want to definitely be here, man. We got much love for you guys. We also want to do a shout out for everybody on the showdown June 23rd at Antioch Fairgrounds. It's going to be big. You guys got to be there. Also, second annual Showstoppers at the Antioch Fairgrounds. We're going to put it down. We're going to put it down hard. Over 100 awards kicking out. So it's going to be cash prizes and trophies, man. We're going to put it down. But in the meantime, happy holidays. Much love from the Showstoppers.
This Inspirations Car Club over here celebrating the last car show of the year at Good Shepherd's Church in Pittsburgh. We out here just kicking it with the family, you know what I'm saying, doing our thing. Got all our cars out here whipped up. Some of them's under construction, but we'll be all right next year. We're looking for newcomers in the East Bay. If you want to come through, join the club. You know, we ain't got no haters over here. Come through and, you know, do what you want to do, hang out with us, and just, you know, parlay. That's it.
100% right here. This big tractor right here. There's Represenante right here, mijo. Let's do this right here. Yeah.
Boing. Boom shot. Weird. Boing. My, that's weird. Weird. Boing.
Right now, luxurious car show, toy drive. We got with us Street Loan Magazine here, also Bay Area represented, baby. You should have been here.